If your PowerPoint presentation contains learner data, confidential data, any data which is of a sensitive nature, business information, or any confidential content, you should never ever send it to anybody unprotected. And what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to encrypt your presentation properly using Microsoft PowerPoint by showing you how to add a password to it. But before I do continue, please like, subscribe, and share. So what I've got here is a presentation, my RA Solutions presentation to my investors. So this presentation has got some sensitive confidential information. It's actually got placeholder data, but for the purpose of this video, it's got sensitive confidential information. Normally, when you send a presentation or anything to a colleague, you will email this, add this file as an attachment and send that as an email. Or you use Microsoft's or PowerPoint's inbuilt feature, click on share, follow the instructions to send it by adding the person who's receiving that email, their email address in there. But I'm going to add an extra layer of security. I'm going to stop people from opening up my PowerPoint presentation without my permission. Okay, so I'm going to password protect and encrypt my presentation before I send it on. So this is what I'm going to do is at the top in the ribbon, choose file. And now when you're in file, go down to where it says info. And when you're in info here, you'll see this option, protect presentation. I'm going to click on that. And then from there, I'm going to choose encrypt with password. So this is what it comes up with. Okay, encrypt the contents of this file. Before I continue, I'm just going to read what this says. Okay, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. It is advisable to keep a list of passwords and their corresponding document names in a safe place. And remember that passwords are case sensitive. So I'm going to add a password. There you go. It's going to ask me to re-enter the password just to make sure it's the right one. And then I'm going to click on OK. Once I click, yeah, is not identical. Okay, I made a mistake somewhere. This happens. User error. One more time. There we go. A password has been used now. You can see here, this is changed to yellow. Password is now required to open the presentation. So I'm going to type in or press Control or click on Save to save that presentation. That presentation is saved. It was already saved before, so this is the updated version of the presentation now. So what I'm going to do is close this presentation. I'm going to reopen PowerPoint to see whether that password has been applied to that presentation before I send it on. So I'm going to open up the presentation there. And now it's asking for a password. So it's asking me for a password. If I put anything in there, click on OK, it's not going to open up the PowerPoint. So I have to go back, file, open, try again. And if I put in the right password this time, it'll open up the presentation. Now what I can do to mitigate any risk against anybody accessing the data in the presentation, send this presentation in a separate email and then use a different form of communication to send the password along to whoever you're sending whoever you want opening up the PowerPoint to. So I hope this video has helped you. Please do like, subscribe and share.